Now I'm flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre. He a jack of all trades.
Alright guys, so this video right here is for people who have a 2006 Honda Accord and you purchased a Android head unit and your air conditioning is not working once you installed it. Alright, it came with this little paper right here that kind of explains it. Took me a minute to understand it, but now I get it. Alright, so you have single AC, you have dual AC. This vehicle had dual AC, alright? Alright, so this right here is the old radio, and it has dual AC. If you see right here, it says dual, right? This is a dual AC unit. Now, some cars have a single AC unit, and it looks different. It looks like this picture right here. Alright, it won't say dual on it. Now, you have two different setups. If you have a single AC unit, right? You're going to install the green cables that came with the system. All right, that's what you're going to use if you have AC, if you have a single AC. So the green cables that came with the Android head unit, you're going to use those. If you have a dual AC, you're not going to use those wires. The wires that came with the system, the green ones, you're not going to use it. You're going to plug the factory wire that's in the car to the actual system. All right, and let's see, right now I'm having that issue and I just figured it out. So let's see, I'm gonna unplug this so that you can kind of see what I'm saying. All right, so I used the control, the wires that came with the system, but that's for single. All right, mine is a dual. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect this, right, and then I'm going to disconnect it from the actual unit too. One, and you have one right here, so this cable right here, if you have a single AC button, you're going to use this. If you have a dual button, you're not going to use this. I have a dual button, so what you're going to use is the actual wires that are in the actual car. These two wires, and you're gonna plug those up. So we're gonna plug it directly to it. See, just like that, right there, right? Now we're gonna put it back in, just enough, and we're gonna fire it up. All right, so I turned the car on. The unit is on. At first, when I pressed any of these buttons, the air conditioning didn't work. But now, since I have it set up the correct way, connecting the actual unit to the supplied wires in the car, not this right here. Don't use this if you have dual. All right, only use this if you have single AC. This is dual, driver, passenger. All right, now I'm going to turn on the AC. See, there it is. Saw the AC come up across the bottom. See, I can press dual. See, everything, look, I can turn it. See that? It's showing it. See that? You can turn it up. Let's see. You can make it come out the top. That's the top. All that stuff is working. This is the heaters for the glass, but everything's working. See that? It's showing the picture. showing the picture. It wasn't doing that at first. Okay? So basically that's it. That's how you work. Look, everything's working there. And if you want to turn it off, press the button and it turns it off. So that's why the actual AC wasn't working. Alright guys, I hope that helps you out.